Hey everyone and welcome. We're going to be talking about something that's so cool. This is probably one of the coolest products I've found in a long time and I'm so excited to share it with you guys. I don't know if maybe I'm the last one to hear about this product, but we are going to be talking about this PrimeSkin color changing foundation. I always have a heck of a time picking out the right color foundation, and this takes out all the guesswork. This will adapt to any skin tone. I got mine in the one, it matches fair to medium skins. And this is what it looks like. The actual foundation is white. Yes, it's crazy. And then as soon as you put, I'm wearing it right now, spoiler alert. As soon as you put it on your skin, it adapts to your skin color. What makes this one interesting is the skincare first approach. So it's infused with niacinamide to help smooth texture, has hyaluronic acid for hydration and vitamin E for antioxidant protection. So it's not just about coverage, it's actually giving you those skincare benefits as well. It's also very lightweight, which I love. I have it on right now and I just feel like I'm wearing a moisturizer. And you can also build it up if you need to. I only did one layer, but if you wanted to build it up and get more full coverage, you could absolutely do that. So in this video, I'm gonna show you guys how I applied it, show you guys how it goes on nice and smoothly, and then you'll get to see. Obviously, I'm wearing it with the rest of my makeup, so you get to see how it wears with my makeup. And yeah, spoiler alert, I love this. So if you've been on the fence about trying it, I would say go for it. It's not the cheapest, but just remember it has skincare benefits as well. All right, let's get into it. Okay, today I'm gonna show you guys how this color changing foundation works. And let me just tell you, it's crazy. I've used it once and I was very impressed. This is geared towards more mature skin. I'm 45, so mine is in the color fair to medium skin tones, and I did just do some sunless tanner the other night. So I'm curious to see how it adjusts to that, because when I tried it on just my normal skin without tanner, it was a perfect match. So the bottle just looks white, which is crazy. The actual foundation looks white. If you are like me and have problems with picking the right foundation color, this is what it's gonna look like. I might have gotten too much, but we're gonna try it. So if you have troubles getting the right color foundation, this takes out all the work. So as soon as you put it on, it goes on a little bit lighter, and then it just starts adapting to your skin. It's wild. It's actually crazy how it works. And even on my hands, you can see like which hand I have it on. This is wild. Right away, like you can tell it's like a perfect match. It's really crazy how it does this. I'm gonna finish my makeup and just put a little setting powder on it and come back and show you how that looks. Okay, we're back. I finished the rest of my makeup. I think it worked so nicely with the rest of my makeup and everything just went on so nice. My skin feels super hydrated. And one of the main things I loved about this product is that it has skincare ingredients in it as well. So it's just gonna keep your skin nice and hydrated. And that is perfect for the more mature skin. Like if you have problems with it getting very dry, and especially crepey, like under the eyes, that's what I do. So I am a fan of this. I can see myself purchasing this over and over again. I'm very impressed. Okay, I did also want to show you guys how it looks in natural lighting. So I'm in my kitchen right now and this is how it's looking. It is so pretty. I love it. It's like super lightweight. My skin feels like my skin, but it like matches perfect. I'm so blown away by this. I love it. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Let me know if you've tried this before or another product similar to it. This one you can find on Amazon. I will link it down below in the description box. And mine is in the color medium or fair to medium skin tone. So I hope you guys like this video. Let me know and we'll see you guys soon. Bye.